I'm going to do both problems 8 and 9, beginning with 8. You are given the graph of a velocity function. So when you are looking at the y values being above or below the x-axis, that will determine where that function is positive versus negative. So we are above the x-axis between 0 and k. We are below the x-axis from k to m, and that gives us the positive negative. Then, for acceleration, we want to realize that that's the derivative of velocity, which means it's the slope of this graph. So positive and negative for slope is whether you're heading up or down. So looking at whether I'm heading up or down, I am heading up from 0 to j. I am heading down from j to L. And then I'm heading up again from L to M. And then putting those together, acceleration and velocity. If my speed is decreasing, then I am looking for where velocity and acceleration have opposite signs, which is here between j and k, and here between L and M, and that is why C is the correct answer. For number 9, anytime you have a polynomial over a polynomial, they are continuous everywhere except where the denominator polynomial is equal to 0. That means positive 2 and negative 1. Realize this is true even if this function simplifies so that the denominator is no longer 0. So when you simplify, you would cross out one of the x minus 2's with this x minus 2 and realize you get a different function. That function, after canceling, has a different domain than this function because it is not going to allow us to plug in anything that makes the denominator 0 at the beginning.